Today, I'll explain, guys, how to insert queries into these databases by writing pipelines. So batch edit, this we have already seen this. Create new batch edit to server. SQL authentication. Done. So after you create your DB, what should be the next thing which you need to do?
Database, so you have to enable the access from the network.
Yes, you need to open server and enable the access. And after that, what you need to do?
You have to copy the database string,
Connection string and send it.
Connect from the SSMS develop.
Yeah, actually in real time, what you will do? You will copy the string and you will send it to the DB team, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, they will log in and they will create all those database things. For a minute. Meanwhile, let us go back here. Yeah, it is created. Let me open the server. Go to networking. Once you have done it, go back to the DB. Meanwhile, let me go back here. Guys, in real time, what they can do, actually, they may give us SQL script files, guys. What is an SQL script file? If you look at here, can you see there is a script file which ends with .sql? If you look at here. Yeah. What can anyone tell me what is there on the script file? What this query will do?
Data.
It will create a table, and what these two insert some data into it. It will create another table. It will insert some more data in it. So guys, so we know that in real time, the programmers or the DB guys can give us a big script file. I'll show another project script file. If you look at this script file, you can see it's a little bit bigger script file. There's a table. There are a lot of tables, indexes. They created a lot of indexes. They executed store procedures. So they have written a lot of the things. So in real time, the particular DB guy may give us one of these script file. What you will be doing in your project, you need to create a DB repo, database repo, and you need to give the clone URL to him. And what he will do, he will be pushing the script file to this repo. Did you get my point? Yes, did you get my point?
Okay.
Yeah, this script file may contain the entire project scripting. Now, after he pushed the script file to this particular repo, and what should be the next thing which we need to do?
Build.
Yeah,
build pipeline.
Yeah, we need to create a build pipeline. And do you remember, guys? Till now, okay. For HTML project, what task which we have added?
Copy file and publish build artifact.
Okay, for React,
For React, it's npm install the npm build and publish build artifact.
yeah. So for .NET, it's .NET restore .NET SDK, correct? So if you remember, the first step will always, apart from HTML, it could be React, Angular, Vue, .NET. What is the first step?
Install the package actually.
Install the respective software on the agent, correct?
Yeah.
Why are we doing that?
It is necessary to run your build.
Yeah, because if the agent doesn't know the language, it cannot build a project, correct or not?
Yes.
But for HTML, have we used any software?
No.
No, directly copied raw files from the repo to the agent. Why?
Windows understand that HTML language.
Yeah, by default, HTML is understandable by all operating systems, all platforms. Windows, Linux, anything can understand, so we don't need it. It's not a programming language, correct?
Yes.
So same thing. Okay, for DB also, there is no software, particular SDK, which we need to install. What you need to do, same guys, what are the tasks you have created for the HTML? We will be using the same task. It will copy the file as it is. It will never build it. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Same copy file, same publish artifact. Here we are not building anything. Correct?
Okay.
You're not building anything. So when you run it, if you look at here, DB repo, if you look at this DB repo, if you see the artifact, it is simple, the same file, user.sql. Are you getting my point? Correct? Because we no need to convert anything to any form, correct? Is this clear? In future also, we will be using this copy files and publish build artifact. And you need to understand, if you're using these two tasks, there is no language specific thing, correct? Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Now let us come back to the release. So let us create a new release. Sorry.
They will use the same processor, Git for the full.
Same. Yeah, same. You don't know how to do that?
Yeah.
DB repo. Okay. Add it. One job, zero task. Give DB repo CD. Here, look for Azure SQL. Type it. You can see Azure SQL database deployment. Click that. Select service connection. And here, what you need to do, guys, if you open your cloud, we have a connection string, correct? And what does it contain?
Username, password, and that connection to the DB.
Server name and the database name.
Yes.
Server name, database name, username. These are the main things which will be contained inside a connection string, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what you need to do, you copy the server till this point, copy, paste it here. Now, you copy the database name, which is initial catalog. Paste it here. You copy the username and you copy the password.
Just scroll up that. What is the about the authentication? Okay.
This one?
Correct.
That one is nothing but what file you are using. Are you using an inline script file? Is it a DACPAC file or script file? It is a script file. When you select script file, the name will be changed. Okay. Now, where is the script file?
Repository.
Is it my script file?
In that artifact. Yes.
That is it.
Drop folder.
Yeah. Select the script file, exact script file. So my script file will be executed inside this database with the credentials 𝐂𝐿24 myfamily124 in this server. If you look here, but guys, there is a big mistake here. Can anyone tell me what is the mistake?
Again, we need to grant the permission inside the access control again, like even in the storage.
No, not that. Here, guys, this method considered a very bad method. Can anyone tell me why it's a bad method to deploy the DB? It is successful, guys. It is successful. If you query editor that. Whatever it has, table that will be shown here. So yeah, the project has been deployed. The table has been deployed. But the problem here is the construction of a pipeline is not at all good. Why? Why, guys? You are here, you are openly displaying your password, your server, your database, correct? You're openly displaying it in real time. Your what is that? Your DevOps account, your company's DevOps account. How many employees will have an access? Are you the only one?
Multiple users.
Multiple users, no guys, multiple users, multiple admins. So guys, it's a very bad practice to directly display these credentials in the pipeline, correct?
Yes.
But how to resolve this? Very easy. What we need to do? Copy the server. Go to variables section, guys. Here you will be in the same pipeline. You will be having this variable sections. Click add. Write server. Put the value here. This is my server URL. Save it. Next, DB. What is the name of the DB? This is the name of the DB. Copy that. Database. Go to variable. Give a variable database. Value should be the DB. Next, login.
It should be value should be same, na? That means the database name should be correct.
Correct.
Okay. We cannot change it.
Yeah, whatever the values are there in this particular connection string, the same values you have to give. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Go back here. Come back here. Password. Then save it. Then after you save, what you need to do, you need to log it. What is this log?
Encryption.
So it is, no one can see the value, not encrypted. No one can see the value. If someone unlocks, still they can't see the value. Are you getting my point? Guys, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, what you need to do here, instead of using this server, you need to type $server. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that?
We will count it.
Here.
We will reading the value which is there in this variable. Dollar means read the value of that variable. Where is the value stored?
In the variables.
In the variable section. Correct?
Yes.
So dollar will, okay, when you type $server, it will go there and check for the variable. Okay. Now you please tell me, if I run it, will it pass or fail? I'm running it. Will you see the success message or it will fail? What do you think?
Get success. Because values are there, we already mentioned. For the variable.
It will fail. Could you please look at the error message and tell me why it has failed?
There is already
The query there, create person table, which is already created in the DB, correct? You are running the same script one more time. What will happen? There is already a table with the name, so you can't create the second table, correct?
Yeah.
So it is wrong. So what's wrong here? The query you have to change. Actually, we used DB repo sum. What we have used, guys? What we use?
26.
Okay, it may be in another project. But did you understand, guys? Did you understand what we have just done? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
So instead of create table, you should have written what is that? Drop table or any other query. It would have executed there. Clear or not? Guys, clear or not?
Yeah.
For everyone, it's clear, correct? Okay. But this is also not a good method. there is a flaw for it. Can anyone tell me what is the flaw here? Spend some time and just tell me there is an issue here. Okay, could anyone tell me that issue? Guys, don't worry, you can't find it out because you don't know it.
No.
Very simple, guys. If you go to variables, yeah, no one can see that. But what they can do, they can delete it. They can see what will happen next then. Will your pipeline fail?
Yes.
Because there is no way. Or what they can do, they won't delete, but they can
Add.
not add. They can simply update another value there. Any value. Unlock, type some another value and lock it. Then also no one knows that. If they change it, the value, no one knows it. Are you getting my point?
But if it is locked, then how can you other open, sir?
Oh, anyone can open. That is the problem with this thing. Just unlock,
no.
they can't see the existing one, but they can give new one.
Oh.
Lock it safe. Then what will happen? Again, that we don't know it. When we run the pipeline, it will fail.
Then correct. They cannot see, but they can change.
Yeah, we can change. They can also change, but we won't change. Why we change? We don't change. Correct or no?
Yeah.
But someone may change it. No one will change actually, but just letting you know.
Uh-huh.
There's a flaw for this method as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to see the third method of creating the database pipeline. That is, yes, only two location. Yes, here we have a keywords. What is a keyword?
Is I think vault or space where you can store your passwords or keys.
Yeah. Keyword is where it's a cloud service. Azure is the cloud service used to manage keys, secrets, and certificates. We actually store SSO certificates, JWT tokens, this DB connection string values. If there is any important thing which you want to store and later you want to retrieve, so we will be creating these keywords. So now what we need to do, first we need to create a keyword, then read these SQL connection string values from the keyword onto a database, this pipeline.
Yeah.
So now earlier in the pipeline you have directly given values. That is the first method. Correct? Second method, what you have done?
Variables given in the variable forms.
Even in the variable section, but both are having their own flaws. Correct?
Yes.
This is the proper method. No one can edit, no one can delete, no one can do anything else. So it will be purely secure. Whatever values you store in the keyword, that will be purely secure. No one can do anything there. Did you hear my point?
Yes.
But this is very, very important, guys, and it is a time-taking process as well. But guys, I don't want to teach that today because only two. Why only two are there in the batch, guys?
No idea, sir. Today there is no function, anything.
Yesterday holiday, tomorrow is holiday. Is that the reason?
Tomorrow is also holiday. Yeah.
What? Friday is also holiday.
Ramzan, something tomorrow.
Tomorrow is holiday, and what about Friday?
Friday, continuous holiday.
Okay, Saturday, second Saturday, Sunday holiday.
Yeah, 4 days.
Okay, are you Telugu guys?
No, sir. From Maharashtra.
You are Maharashtra. Rakesh, you are Telugu. Okay. Okay, Kishore, let us start for today because this is the most important thing.
Sure,
tomorrow we will be. Shall we have a class or will someone come?
I will be there, sir.
You please come tomorrow. I'll take the class. Okay.
Yeah,
if no one is there, still I'll take 1 hour class because we can't. Yeah, we can't skip the classes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Today, what you will do as an assignment?
Give me that script, sir. I will try it.
Yeah, I'll give the script file. Today's topic, DB pipelines. Assignment. What you will be doing first? Create a DB. Use the given script file to execute the queries. Okay, let me provide the script file. Where is the script file?
Actually, sir, my work nature is different. Sometimes it can.
Welcome to LWPLABS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!